Hello guys, how are you? I hope you are in the good condition. My name is Hanis Novitasari. Today I would like to share an information related in listening and speaking skill. I know I'm gonna talk about expressing and responding to invitation. The listening and speaking skill are an essential part of the student language and literacy development. For English language learner, the both of this skill is the most important thing to learn because it is related in our daily life. Like when we have a conversation, interacting with another, and etc. The common sense tells that there is high relationship or correlation between the listening and speaking skill. They said when listening comprehension increase, automatically our speaking ability will increase too. Language and interaction. Spoken discourse is automatic. Words are delivered through speech and the person listening must understand the information correctly. The person who speaks must also be able to convey the sentence correctly so that both of the speaker and the listener can get the information that they want to know. This slide shows how the integrate of this skill can be applied in language and interaction. When we are having a conversation, there's someone who asks the speaker must choose the right word and the sentence correctly. Do not use the words that have multiple meanings or ambiguous. So the listener can understand clearly and give a response correctly also to the speaker. Then there is no miscommunication between them. The conversation will be going well. In the slideshow, the related between the integrate of this skill and our material. Our speaking skill can be applied by giving invitation, and our listening skill can be applied by responding to invitation. Giving invitation divided by two. There are formal invitation and informal invitation. Then responding to invitation divided by two. There are receiving or refusing to invitation. Giving invitation is commonly used by someone who want invite and ask the other to do something for him or her. Formal invitation is commonly used for important events and involves the people from various fields and aspects. The formal invitation usually using more polite language. The example is like wedding invitation, business meeting, and also press conference invitation. Then informal invitation is more relaxed and personal. It is not necessarily in writing. It can be conveyed by word of mouth and usually using our daily language and personal language. The example of this invitation like invitation to watch movie in the cinema, birthday invitation, and dinner invitation. It can be difficult to feel that when we cannot attend the invitation, especially to say no or maybe. But don't worry guys, here I want to explain and I want to give you an example about a sentence to giving invitation and responding to invitation. Check it out. Okay, there are examples how we can say or how we could say to giving invitation and responding to invitation. The sentence is when we give an invitation like just say, would you like to, shall we, how about, let's go, why don't we. If we can attend and if we can accept the invitation, we can say with pleasure, that is kind of you. That sounds great, alright, how lovely, I can't wait. But if we cannot attend this invitation, we can say I'd love to, but, and then I'm not sure. Thank you for asking, but I wish I could join you, but, and I'm so sorry we cannot make it. Okay guys, I think so far so good and our material very clearly, right? So in this time I give you the question about related in our material. Your job is just make a short conversation related in the question, and we will discussing the answer in the end of the presentation. Okay, there are also again about example to giving invitation and responding to invitation. The right one is when the listener receiving the invitation, the speaker side. Let's go to the field to play futsal tonight. And the listener, that sounds great though. I have not played futsal for a long time. Then the last one when listener refusing the invitation, the speaker side. How about we are by couple L? Then listener we answer, but I'm not able to make it. I have a boyfriend. Let's just be a friend. Okay, let's discuss about our question. Question 1. The lecturer asked your help to become his assistant. You like to reserve, but you are not sure about your schedule. How would you politely say maybe? Professor, would you like to be my assistant from this week, Chance? Chance said, I'm not sure, Prof, whether I can, but I will check my calendar and let you know. The question 2. Your friend invites you to go to the park this afternoon. You love to accept the invitation. Nia, as the speaker said, let's go to the park this afternoon. So Via answer, how is nice, I cannot wait. The question 3. Your new neighbor invites you to eat a seafood restaurant, but you have a seafood allergy. What would you say? Last one. How about treating you to a seafood restaurant as my celebration of being your neighbor? Thank you for asking, but I have a seafood allergy. Okay guys, after this explanation, I think it is very clearly about giving invitation and responding to invitation. We can conclude that to be able to apply giving and responding to invitation, we must have a listening and speaking skill well. So, the conversation will take place very effectively and efficiently. Okay guys, that's all for me. I do apologize if there is something wrong and something error by me. Thank you for watching this video until the end. I hope this is very useful for you and for me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.